Hello everyone, nice to see you again. I am RK. In this video, we will learn about how to create class and assigning object for them. Class is like a blueprint. It is for how we need to create statements and functions. Here I am creating an empty class. Here class denotes that it is a class and man is a class name. And here I didn't give any statement, so I am using pause. To call the class, we need to create an object like s1 equals man. Here s1 is the object and man is the class name. Let's run it. Nothing is displayed because we doesn't give any statements here. We can also assign values to a class from outside the class, like we need to use the object name dot the variable that we need to create in a class, like color equals brown, and the next one is height is 5.6 feet and weight is 75 kg. Let's print the values. Print s1 dot color, s1 dot height, s1 dot weight. Let's run it again. Here the values are displayed. Brown 5.6 feet and 75 kgs. Let's remove the pause. And we can also give the values within a class. Let's remove the s1. Let's run it again. It's displayed the same value, brown 5.6 feet, 75 kgs. And we can also use the print function in the class. Let's remove the s1. Let's run it again. Here it prints the same output. Let's remove these things from here. In class, we can also use the function that we learned in our previous video about functions. Let's create it. Def attrib. Let's use the same variable names. Color equals brown. Height equals 5.6 feet and weight equals 75 kg. Let's use the print color height weight. Let's run it. Here no value is printed because we only use the class name. We doesn't call the function in a class. Let's call it s1 dot attrib. Let's run it again. Here we got an error because to access a value of a function in a class, we need to use a self method like self dot let's run it again. Here it displays the value. Instead of using a name like this, we can use init. While using init method, we don't need to call the function in a class. Let's run it. Here it displays the value. Like function, we can also assign a values by using arguments. Remove these values. Color, height, weight. We need to give these things in the parentheses. Color, height, a weight. Here the color is brown, height is 5.6 and weight is 75. Let's run it again. Here it gives the value. You can give the values here when you use only init method. If you use your own function name, you need to call it like we did in the previous method. For example, let's remove these things. S1 dot. Let's change the name as attrib. Attrib, and we need to give the values. Let's run it again. Here it displays the values. Let's give another value. S2 dot attrib, color is black and the height is 6.1 and the weight is 80. Let's run it again. Sorry, I didn't call the class here for S2 equals man. Let's run it. Here it displayed different values for the same class. So that's it, guys. These are the main things that you can learn from class and object. If you have any doubts, tell me in the comment section. I will try to help you. See you in the next video. Bye.